Alright everyone, here we are with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To all the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel, and to all the subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button to let me know you watch this video, and to stay tuned on in towards the second half of the video, guys. Right after this chart analysis, I have a ticker symbol to share with you guys, as well as the opportunities I found this morning and shared with the members. I managed to find 3 home run opportunities presenting themselves 20% plus throughout their highs, and if that's something you want to become part of, you're more than welcome to join us. The link is down below in the description, and by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together to maximize profits and minimize losses. We look forward to having you join us. So here we are with WISH, ContextLogic Inc. This stock has actually jumped up, consolidated, showing some strength, but it broke through one of the supports that were key, and that was 1292, 1293, hit newer lows, but it's still fighting within that channel just a bit. The only thing is the tug of war zone, we're a little bit below it, hit newer low, and also the bears can actually start tearing this one down. Now, in this area, it is showing strength from the bulls perspective and from their side of things. They are showing strength against the bears, but the thing is, for the bears to turn into bulls, this needs to push upwards, because that's how shorts cover. They don't cover when a stock is sitting sideways or in a very subtle, when I remove all these lines, you'll see very subtle downward trend. It's very subtle though. So the bulls need to keep on fighting, but they're putting up a strong fight. That's all I have to say. Now, right now, the 50-day moving average is 1347. Anything below that is bearish. Anything above that is bullish. The lowest point reached in the support level here is 1262. If that gets broken through, I would watch it very carefully between that level and the next support level down here that's informally used, but it's optional, and I would use it, 1196. And see if the bulls try to reappear and bring it back up, or if the bears are tearing this one down fairly fast. Now, the 50-day moving average does need to be broken through by the bulls, 1347, and turn into a support so they can start pulling upwards. But the resistance level, I would like to see the bulls reach and break through to pull further away from the 50-day moving average, is 1374. Turn that into a support to continue the momentum, reach newer highs, get out of tug-of-war zone, and get deeper into bullish territory and starting a rally to the upside. I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below, how you feel about this. Do you see strength here, or do you see this in a subtle decline and this could go back to $10, $11? Where do you see this going? Do you see it going up? Do you see it going down? I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below. And if you learned something new, don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell so you don't miss a single video that I post. And all I ask for is 3 to 5 more minutes of your time. I have a ticker symbol to share with you guys that you won't want to miss, that has already jumped 20% plus since I mentioned it this weekend after hitting its lows this week, as well as the opportunities I found this morning and shared with the members over at the Discord. And if you want to know what stocks I watch daily and weekly, you can join us. The link is down below in the description to the Discord. Stay tuned. So the ticker symbol I have to share with you guys today is one that I mentioned over at the Patreon this weekend, and it actually pulled back to its most recent lows, and since those lows, it's jumped up 20% plus this week alone. Now, before we look at the chart, it seems to be in a possibility of consolidating or a slight healthy pullback. So before we look at everything, I want to share with you guys the ticker symbols I mentioned this morning over at the Discord, shared it with the members, and if that's something that interests you and you want to become part of, you're more than welcome to join us. The link is down below in the description to the Discord, and by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together to maximize profits and minimize losses. Now, here we are with ARAV. This was the first one mentioned. We caught it at 690. This one pulled back and gave small spikes of 3 to 5%. PIRS, we caught it at 362. This gave a home run opportunity. GTT, caught it at 297. This gave a home run opportunity after dipping to the 260s and jumping back up to $3 plus, giving a 20% plus opportunity. And MRIN caught this one at 301, giving us a home run opportunity as well, really early on in the trading day. So let's go ahead and look at these two stocks that gave us home runs. And GTT was the only one that took the longest because it actually had a big pullback for a few hours and spiked back up the few hours later of the trading day, giving a 20% plus opportunity. So MRIN, mentioned it at 301, pulled back down and spiked up, giving a highest point of 20% plus, guys. That was phenomenal. Happened in just 15 minutes of the trading day after the bell. Now, our other home run was PIRS. Caught this one at 362. We caught it at the lowest point in the pre-market pullback and the lowest point of the day. This was a very subtle upward trend, but it kept pushing. It did not stop, giving a highest point of 25% plus on the day. Phenomenal results. Now, the ticker symbol I'm about to share with you guys is VIPS, but before we look at it, I want to show you guys GTT's performance, how it pulled back the first few hours of the day, hit the 260s, and has jumped up close to the 320s, giving a 20% plus opportunity as well. We found 3 home run opportunities today. Phenomenal for a Thursday. So the ticker symbol you want to add to your watch list is VIPS. And this is a stock I mentioned this weekend, and I talked about it, gave a little overview. So you can also receive access to my weekly watch list by joining the Discord. And this is where the stock was at. It was at the $18 mark, almost 19. And this is what analysis ratings are saying, right? The lowest one is $24. So there's a 5 buy rating, 2 hold, and 0 sell. And when I look at it, I mean, the opportunity is there. And the charts were showing opportunity to begin with. And it had pulled back from that level of $18 and some change all the way down to $17 on the 21st. It consolidated within the $17 range, having small spikes back and forth. And it took off starting yesterday, right, Wednesday, to highs here of $18 and some change, pulled back down to the 17s, and has taken off today to 1970s, giving a highest point of 1979. Now, this stock currently, the way I'm looking at it, it has given 20% plus on the week so far. When you zoom out, there's a lot of potential here. Analysis ratings are pointing this one upside. But one of the things I'm looking for right now is either a healthy pullback before the next run, right? Before the next catalyst, because of this big run that already happened, or consolidation showing strength to build up for the next catalyst to take this to newer levels, newer highs, and new resistance levels. Because this was consolidation here, small consolidation here after a pullback, and it ran. So what I'm looking for is consolidation of strength again, or a healthy pullback because of a big run that just happened before it takes off again to newer highs and new resistance levels. So analysis ratings are pointing this one to the upside. This stock seems to have hit a bottom at $17 for now. We have to see if it continues to be the bottom or retest it or breaks through it in the near future. But right now, this stock is performing with strength, and it's definitely one to have on your watch list, regardless of what happens if consolidation or slight pullback happens in a healthy manner, making the opportunities even bigger. Any of the stocks I mentioned are not financial advice. I'm not here to tell you to buy, sell, or hold any positions on any of the stocks I talk about. I'm just here to align you guys on the opportunities I'm watching and why I'm watching them. If you want to receive live updates of my weekly watch list and daily watch list, the link is down below to the Discord, and we look forward to having you join us. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.